Cahot Portable UV Sanitizer, Multifunction UV Light Sterilizer, UV Phone Cleaner Box with Aroma Diffuser, Fast Charging for Smartphone, UV Sterilizing Box for Cell Phone, Jewelry, Watches, Glasses. Complete sanitization, equipped with dual UV lights, our portable UV sterilizing box can kill 99.9% of Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli in 18 minutes and kill 99.9% Candida albicans in 30 minutes, allowing you to disinfect your daily gadgets in a easy way. Note, we ship via USPS to make sure you can get it fast. Perfect size to fit all, any cell phone up to 6.2 inches, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Samsung Note 10, or larger size would not fit, can fit in the UV phone cleaner. What's more, you can also place your glasses, jewelry, watches, keys, earpods inside the box to get a complete disinfecting bath. Inner dimension, 7.6 x 4 x 1.5 inch. Please measure the size before purchase. Spa your gadgets with the stunning aromatherapy function of our Sanitizer. Just a few drops of your favorite essential oil will leave your gadgets with a relaxing smell, turn your office, bedroom or cubicle into a soothing haven of relaxation. Under disinfection it would have a smell like sunlight burning. Please allow time for dissipation after operation. Wireless charging. The Lightbox Sanitizer is also a wireless charger for any iOS Android Ki-enabled device, supports iPhone 8 or higher model, Samsung S7 or higher model and other Ki-enabled phones. Simply place your smartphone on the top or inside the box and enjoy your cup of coffee. Auto-off protection. UV lamps inside the box will turn off automatically once you open the magnetic switch cover, protecting you from exposure to ultraviolet light. Feels safe to keep our certified product on your tabletop and no need to keep away from children. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.